You're warmly invited to today's village wedding. Thank you. We'll be there.
Let's get ready for the day.
Yes, we have a busy and exciting day ahead.
Here, the water is flowing nicely.
Thank you. The water feels so fresh this morning. Now it's your turn.
Thank you. Let's have some tea.
Then we'll start preparing for the wedding. The tea is ready.
Wow, it smells wonderful. Today will be full of happiness.
I can't wait for the wedding celebration.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Let's not be late. The decorations look so beautiful.
This is going to be a wonderful wedding.
Everything looks so beautiful.
Everyone has worked very hard.
Today will be the happiest day of your life. I hope everything goes well. You look absolutely beautiful.
You look very handsome
Father.
today. Now you're ready for your big day. Let's go to the wedding.
May your married life be filled with happiness.
Thank you, Mother.
The horse looks magnificent. Let's begin the wedding procession.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Let's celebrate together.
The Barat is here!
Welcome, welcome.
Welcome to our home.
Thank you for your warm welcome. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
ओम अग्नये स्वाहा। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु, मंगलम गरुडाध्वज, मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष, मंगलयेतानो हरि। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
May your marriage be blessed with happiness.
We accept these blessings. If you enjoyed our story, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next miniature village adventure. Goodbye.